Hi, Lora and Israel here, and we are making hair detangler spray today. We have one spray bottle, 8 ounces of water, 3 tablespoons of oil, an assortment of essential oils, a little spatula in case our oil doesn't come out, and a funnel. Now, a little bit about each of our ingredients. The oil is a mixture of olive oil and castor oil, and when the weather was nice, I took sunflower petals and I infused the oil with the sunflower petals because sunflower petals are supposed to be good for the hair. The way I infused it was I put it in a jar and I put the petals in the oil petals in a jar. Covered it with a cheesecloth and let it sit for about 6 weeks. And then the magic got into the oil and now we use it for our hairspray. The water has been boiled so that we don't have any germs growing in our hair detangler. The essential oils I've chosen today are eucalyptus and tea tree oil because they have been known to kill airborne viruses. It is cold and flu season, and we've got Megatron or something going around. No. Megatron is going around trying to get us all.
COVID?
Right. COVID. The new COVID. What's its name now? It's got a new name. Do you know?
What? It's got a new name?
Yeah.
That's stupid.
Oh. Well, anyway. It's coming for us. And so we are an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure family. And so we are giving a shot, because it also can't hurt, eucalyptus and tea tree. Now,
Let's just start already.
Tea tree oil. Somebody wants to make some hairspray. Tea tree oil is also good at killing the fungus that causes athlete's foot, which can also cause dandruff. So I guess spraying that in your hair can be helpful against dandruff. I also have some peppermint. Why did I choose peppermint? Oh, I chose peppermint because peppermint and eucalyptus are both really good decongestants. And so I thought maybe if that was up on the kid's head, all of our heads, I use it too, we could constantly be keeping our juices flowing because we don't want anything to settle. You know, that's when colds and things can turn into pneumonia. So we don't want it to settle. So I've got eucalyptus. Hi, Baz. Eucalyptus to help us with that. Now, in the nicer months when we're not trying to be killed by our neighbors and our environment, we used other good smelling things like lavender, coconut, vanilla. We've made it a few different ways, and we've tried a few different, more for perfumey purposes. But this time we're trying to stay healthy. Okay. So, Israel's here to do the pouring. Our bottle is a 10-ounce bottle that already had store-made detangler in it, but, you know, we're always trying to ease ourselves off of
Buying stuff.
Toxic stuff. And I don't know, maybe this was fine, but it's got some stuff in there that's hard to pronounce. And isn't that the general rule? If you can't pronounce it, don't use it? I don't know. Okay. Can you get up and here, I'll pull it down a little for you. And you can pour in 8 ounces of water that had been boiled. It is no longer boiling because we're not trying to kill the kids. Awesome sauce. Now,
Mom?
yeah, babe.
Can we play a board game?
We can play a board game next. Pour in our sunflower petal infused oil. Oh, that really sounds delightful. And already smells good. I think it's just the bottle from the last batch that was in here. All right, so we're opening up the tea tree oil. Just a few drops of that in there. Give that a smell. What do you think about tea tree oil?
Pickles.
It smells like pickles?
Yeah.
Okay. You like it because it smells like pickles. All right. Now, what do you think about eucalyptus? Give that a smell.
Good.
Good? What does it remind you of? Anything?
Not really anything.
Not really anything.
It's just good.
Just good. All right.
It doesn't.
I was having a hard time coming out. Hold on. All right. No squeezing. It's glass. You can't squeeze it, dude. Sometimes I just pop the little top thing off or shake it around a little. Hold on. Ah! All right. Yeah, you put in the peppermint while I crack this guy
Peppermint
open.
never smelling this one.
You don't like peppermint?
Not too much smell. Maybe.
No good? No good, he says. All right. We're just going to get the dropper out here. Oh, come on. This is going to take all my fingernails with it. Oh, whatever. I'm using my teeth. Am I? Yeah, I am. Oh. Well, it smells delightful. It tastes awful. Okay. There. Now just drop, because it doesn't have the little thing in it. You got to just... Okay, so this is now a $1 million bottle of hair detangler. It's got a lot of eucalyptus in there. Holy smokes! Okay. Yeah, take that, COVID.
Good.
Good. It smells good. He approves. Which is good because it's going on his shiny, beautiful hair. Let me shake it up.
That you just brushed.
I did just brush. And we used some detangler spray. And he had a nasty little dreadlock thing happening because he took a shower last night. And we didn't comb his hair after his shower. And so when he woke up in the morning, he had some sort of like horrid tail happening. And we got that right out with our spray. And that's it. How easy is that? Give it a try. What are you doing?
Trying it.
Oh, he's giving it a try. Very good. Give it a try. Let us know if you like it. And we will talk to you later.
Oh,
Bye.
that's not me.
Yeah, no, not you. Our friends. Maybe you when you watch it.
Sure.
All right. Say goodbye.
Bye.